Right now we will quickly go through the first setup of Poco F7 Pro, so let's get started. First of all, we will have to choose the language, so here is the list of all of these languages, so you simply have to select your language first, press next, and here you can choose your region, and here's the text bar, so you can input your region right here and press on it, simply just like this. You can find your region pretty easily. Here we have terms and conditions to agree, so we have to select this that you've read and agree the user agreement and privacy policy, press next, and from here you can set up using another device, and if you were previously using Android device, you will have to go for the Android device right here and scan this QR code and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup with your previous data from your previous device, And if you were previously using the iPhone or iPad, you'll go for this iPhone or iPad right here and also follow on-screen instructions, and actually you will have to connect to network, so you will be able to actually transfer data between these two phones. But we will not do it right now. We are not setting up using another device. We will skip this one. And yeah, we can additionally, as we are skipping it actually, if we are setting up our phone with no other devices, it is actually not necessary to connect to this Wi-Fi network, and we will not do it right now. Let's skip that. You can actually connect to the network later and set up your phone later with the internet connection, in case you don't actually have the SIM card inserted in your phone. Let's wait for this to set up. Alright, from now we can log in into the Google account. It is also not necessary, you don't have to do this right now, you can do it later, and we'll actually do it later. But if you are willing to sign in, you simply have to enter your email or phone number. From there you'll have to create enter the password, and that will be basically it. Or additionally, if you don't have account in Google, you will have to create one. But let's skip this one right now. Skip that. And here we have some Google services, and basically I recommend you to disable this one, send usage and diagnostic data. It needs to be disabled, and you can leave these two actually enabled if you want to. Let's accept, and here we have to choose our search and browser engine, so let's select anything right here. Actually, here we have the list of different I believe these are the browsers, yeah, so you can select any browser that you want from here and set as default. And here we have also the search engine, select any that you want and set as default. And here you can review additional applications that will be downloaded when Wi-Fi is available from Google, as you can see. Let's press OK, and that might be actually it about the phone setup, I believe. Oh no, here I have some additional basic settings actually for the Poco itself, so we can disable this usage and diagnostic data and this user experience program, and I don't know about the Xiaomi interconnectivity. We can also disable this one and actually leave it like this. Let's press next. Parental controls, in case you want parental controls, you can enable it. Let's press next. Here we can set up the font size, font settings overall, the different fonts, and next, somewhere here, maybe the size, I'm not sure though. No, actually no, just a font. And here we can select a default launcher, the classic one, or with the app drawer. We will select app drawer, it is pretty much better in my opinion. System navigation mode, we can also set up the system navigation in the first setup, so that's nice. You can set up if you want the gestures or the buttons. We will go for the buttons. Press next, and that will be all basically from now with this first setup of Poco F7 Pro. From here you will have to wait for this system to prepare, and you will be forwarded into your home screen, and that will be all. So that's it. Thank you for watching.